Good morning, everyone. A little late this morning. We are going to do Foreigner, A Girl Like You. Okay, I was stuck in the car yesterday and I heard this song and it absolutely made me want to do this. And it just came to me. The choreography came to me. So if you love this song, great. Very quick combination right here. 1, 2, 3, tap. Very simple. 1, 2, 3, tap. Then we're going to start the movement. It's out and in. So it's a step, tap, out, a box for 4. Then move your hips for 4 and bring your feet together. Very simple. That's the whole thing. We're going to do 4 steps today. Just like a cardio dance, but super mellow. Right here. Move those hips, step together, then just a tap. And you can do anything with your shoulders you want. I hope you can hear it. When you love someone. All right, do that again. Step, touch. But step on this foot and then do it again. Cross over box. 3 steps. Feet together, other side. Any arms, any hips. Swish those hips. Tap it, and you can tap wherever you want. Again. Now the chorus. Okay, step in, slide, 2 march. Then a triple step 4 times. Slide. Been waiting for a girl like you to come into my life. Guys, you should do this for your ladies. Do that again. So I'm going to show you a couple variations once we get going. Triple, triple, 1 more time. So you can move those triples anywhere, and we will. Triple. Then the 1, 2, 3 tap. Now you can do this in the circular V motion. You can do a grapevine. Tap. Then start from the top. This is the words. And then on the chorus, we do something else. Reach. Any arms you want. Step, touch, tap, cross, box. 4. Then swish the hips. Then the step, touch. Anywhere you want. Good morning. Do that again. Step, touch, on top of the leg. Push, box. Swing them. Other side. Hip, push. I love Foreigner. I do. Here we go. Chorus. Reach. March, march, reach. Cha-cha-cha. Triple, triple. And you can do turns wherever you want. Right there. Play with it. Friday night, loud music, glass of wine. Oh yeah. Triple. 1 more time. It repeats so much that by the time we finish, you're going to have this. You're going to have this. All right, you got to hold it here. 1, 2, 3, tap. That's the 1 extra count in the whole song. Remember, you can do grapevines here. You can turn it. 3, tap. That's the whole thing. Yes, it is. Go for the triple steps right here. Triple. Keep going. Keep going. I'm going to dance this off. You. See you Friday.